At the Ann Arbor Hands-On Museum and Leslie Science and Nature Center, we know how critical it is for all children to experience moments of discovery where they're encouraged to be creative, think critically, and play.
That's why we've created our Access for All initiatives, to remove barriers to high-quality educational experiences.
Our Mitchell community has been fortunate to have a partnership with the Leslie Science and Nature Center over the years. The scholarships and the program is huge. It really does provide equitable access for our community.
We offer scholarships to classrooms where at least 20% of students qualify for free or reduced lunch. About 25% of classrooms that book programs or field trips with us receive a scholarship.
With our community support, we annually invest over $70,000 to fund classroom scholarships impacting over 15,000 students.
I'm not only a principal at Mitchell Elementary School, I'm a parent of a Mitchell Elementary School student, and my son, since kindergarten to going into 4th grade, has had these remarkable experiences with this partnership. He comes home beaming at the end of the day, saying, I saw this, I touched that. He can tell me, I raised my hand because I knew about adaptations and everything they do, and it just really brings a lot of joy to them.
We host My Turn at the Museum events, so young learners diagnosed with autism spectrum disorder and their families can engage with the museum in ways that are comfortable and meaningful. We always have sensory support kits available in our lobby to provide adapted experiences for neurodiverse individuals.
I have 2 kids named Madison and Matthew. Madison is 8, Matthew is 4, and Matthew is also on the autism spectrum. He understands what we're saying, but he can't quite communicate back. So when we come here, his mind wanders in every single place. He just thrives here. He doesn't know that he's learning, but he is.
Access for All also provides discounted admission of only $3 to families who qualify for WIC or EBT benefits.
Last year, 25% of our general admission visitors used this discount. That's about 20,000 members of our community.
We utilize the Museums for All program. That's a program where people that receive SNAP or EBT benefits, they're able to come in and get a reduced admission price. It provides access to a lot of people to come to a place like this. I don't think of how far it takes me to get here. I just know that my kids will enjoy themselves every single time we come.
Access for All helps fund projects that ensure our spaces are accessible for those with differing physical needs. We designed our new nature playscape to be accessible, and our museum even became a Wheel the World certified location this year.
Through Access for All, we're removing barriers so every child can explore, play, and discover. You can join us in this mission by supporting our Access for All initiatives. Let's create moments of inspiration and discovery together.